Welcome to CAD with me YouTube channel. Today we have to learn about wall creating on Sketchup. Okay, let's move to the video. We can rotate the drawing surface with this orbit option. Then get this rectangular shape from Shapes tool. We can start the drawing with this origin point. Go to the origin point and click, then give the dimensions as x, y directions, at dimensions bar. Then press enter.
Then select the push-pull tool, and click on the relevant face you want to push up. Then enter the height you want, at dimensions bar, and press enter. With zoom tool, you can zoom in and zoom out the drawing. You can do it from mouse scroll also.
Then, choose the Offset tool to create 2D face of wall. Bring the mouse point near to a line which we want to offset. Click on red rectangular, and move the mouse the direction we want, and type the distance and press enter. Then get tape measure tool and bring that near to the internal wall line. When red rectangular indicates, click on that and move the mouse into direction, which we want to make measuring line. We use this measuring line for create internal walls. Give the distance from external wall edge to internal wall edge, and press enter. As same as, give internal wall thickness and press enter.
Then you can repeat this procedure to create internal measuring lines. In this example, we have get 9 inches as external wall thickness, and 4.5 inches as internal wall thickness. Then we can go other direction. Note that when you use measuring tape tool, if you want parallel measuring lines, then you have to click on line, when it indicate red rectangular. After creating the measuring lines, you have to get rectangular shape, and create the plan view of walls, with multiple rectangulars. Use orbit, zoom and pan tools, to make the essential movement of the drawing.
Subscribe and click the bell icon, to watch more valuable videos.
Okay. This is the plan view of our plan. Now we have to create 3D walls.
For that, you have to get push-pull tool. When you move the mouse near to the external wall area, it will indicate a face. At that time you have to click on it. And give the height of the wall and press enter. As same as you can build the internal walls. Go to the rectangulars and pull the face up, with giving height on the distance bar. When you move the mouse near to the rectangular, you can see it indicate a face with dotted texture. Then only you can build it up. Okay. This is our 3D plan. Just we want to give you the knowledge, how to build walls in Sketchup. We have planned to do video series on Sketchup, explaining all the tools one by one, as well as advanced professional 3D house designs. If you get even a little bit knowledge from this video, please subscribe us and put like to the video. You can comment on comment section, if you have any suggestions or any clarifications. If you hope to go deep with Sketchup and 3D modeling, we recommend, you must read this book. If you interested you can get it with discount, from description on this video. Okay. See you next time with another interesting and valuable video. Goodbye designers.